Okay, so today's class will be zero copy cloning. Since yesterday, okay, like different types of tables, everything is important with respect to interview. Okay, so yeah, that's why yesterday video I uploaded with what are different types of tables. Means that is the direct question will come. Okay, so since yesterday, whatever we are discussing, everything is an interview question. Okay, so yeah, generally they will ask whatever we covered, like what are different types of editions, or how did you work in Snowflake? I mean, which environment? AWS in, I mean, in AWS, Snowflake with AWS, or Snowflake with Azure, or Snowflake with GCP. So those are standard questions. I mean, online answers. Okay, that you will tell. Maybe standard edition, enterprise edition, or business critical, uh, or Snowflake in VPC. Okay. So virtual private cloud, Snowflake. So you will tell one of that. Then the next question will come is like, what are different types of tables in Snowflake? And then you will tell, okay, permanent, temporary, and a transient. Then he will ask, what is the differences? Then you will tell, okay, so temporary tables are only for, intermediate purpose, and they will last only till end of the session. Okay, only time travel is 0 to 1 day. And once you log off, it will be lost. You will not find it. Whereas transient, it's like permanent table, but only difference is its time travel is only up to 1 day. You cannot have more than 1 day time travel. Okay. Then permanent table is a permanent table where you can have time travel up to 90 days. And of course, the another property is fail safe, right? Yeah, fail safe is 7 days, irrespective of whether it's a standard edition, enterprise edition, or yeah, enterprise or business critical. Okay, when I'm say enterprise, think that it's a business critical or a virtual private in Snowflake. Okay, so and these both transient and permanent tables will last till we drop it. Okay, so then today we will discuss in detail like how to change this time travel and fail safe at the table level, because that's what we do, I mean, on a regular basis in real time. And we also will see what is zero copy cloning. So generally in the both GAD and yeah, interview questions also, these three will come. Okay, in GAD also they will ask candidates should be aware of time travel, fail safe, and copy cloning or zero copy cloning, like that he will ask. So that's why I just want to cover them separately in one session. So let's see. Yesterday also, if you remember, yesterday we touched the command called clone. Okay, so actually it is, we call zero copy cloning, but actual thing is it's clone. I'll tell you again. Okay, so these are the different tables that we created yesterday. And while yesterday I was telling you about how to create a table from another table. Okay, with DDL, without DDL. Okay, yesterday I was telling. So if you use like, it will create without DDL. Means sometimes you want to have a create same table without data. Okay, maybe you want to do some, okay, some work on the table, or you have some, for example, you want to delete duplicate records, so you want to have the table DDL so that you can insert only unique records into the table. Yeah, so for some particular purpose you want table DDL. So table DDL with with same constraints, indexes, and all. So you will create like this, create table. Okay, I mean, you can give any name like dpt underscore backup or dpt underscore temporary, something like that. Like if you give like, it will create only with DDL, no data. But you want to take backup of a table, okay? Then yesterday we have seen create table, table name, clone, original table. So if you give like this, for example, let's say again I will do today. Select start from DPT. I have two records. Okay. So one HR Pune, one HR Hyderabad, and okay. So now I want to take backup of this table. Okay. So that we can do using clone. Okay. Create table, department, department backup one. Okay. So clone DPT. Then okay, backup one already exists. See the error. If it is already exists, it will say this error. Okay. So yeah, then you can give something like okay, department backup. For example, today what is the date? 2023 12/05 means with just for indication that as of today this is the backup. Okay. We generally give this notation in real time also, just to indicate that on what date we have taken this backup, so that we'll get some immediate idea as soon as we see this table. Okay. So yeah, so this has been created. Okay. So here what we did, we used clone to copy this table, okay, or to take the backup of this table. So now you can see and query this. Select start from DPT backup 2023 12/05. Then you will get the same data, everything you will get. Okay. So this is called clone. Okay. But this is also called zero copy clone. Okay. Zero copy clone. Okay. Generally in the entry they will ask what is zero copy clone. Okay. So this is called zero copy clone. Why? Because what we did here, we took the backup of the department table. Okay. And generally in any database, for example, 5 TB table is there. Okay. So original table. Original table. When you take backup, the backup also will have 5 TB. Okay. And backup table. This is also occupies 5 TB, right? Generally in other databases. But in Snowflake, it's not like that. When you take backup, okay, the same 5 TB, am I sharing this screen? Yeah, I'm sharing this screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay. Or no, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It seems Harika is not able to see. Anyway, I will stop sharing and share again. Yeah, I shared again. Can you see again? Can you see my screen? All of you?
Yes, Krishna, I'm able to see.
Okay. Yeah. So in other databases, when we take the backup, okay, backup also will occupy the same space. Okay. So basically, whenever we take the backup, we are almost paying for double the space. Means original space and backup space. For example, your original is 50 TB and Yeah, due to, we also will take the backup, right? So for backup also you're 50 TB. So total you're paying for 100 TB of the storage. Okay, this is the case with other databases. But here in Snowflake, this is called when you take the backup using clone. In fact, backup we will take only using clone. Okay, this is called zero copy clone because what is the Snowflake architecture? Shared disk, shared nothing architecture. If you see the first class, we discussed shared disk, shared nothing. So shared disk means your disk is shared. Okay, your disk is shared. So the 50 TB will be there. Okay, 50 TB. So let me open Paint. Okay, so this is your database. Okay, this is your 50 TB database. Okay, so when you clone, what happens is the same copy, only name will be there. Okay, this is your original table. Okay, and this is your backup table. That's it. So your storage will never be duplicated. That's why shared disk. Your disk is shared. Okay, data copy will come from the same disk. Okay, but only thing is that you will have original table and you will have backup table. So that's why it is called zero copy clone. Means you will not be charged for a backup table storage. Okay, this is a unique architecture with respect to Snowflake. Okay, so that's why generally in for taking backup also in other databases it will take a lot of time, but it is nothing. Here it's just we saw, right? So create table, your backup table name, clone department. That's it. It will be just finished in few seconds. And you can have two different. One is backup and another is an original copy. So and here your store is also not duplicated. That's why it is called zero copy clone. Okay, so I am telling these terms because in the GAD or in the entry, if they ask, you should not feel like you don't know. It is the same thing. Okay, you take the backup in Snowflake, it will not occupy additional space. Okay, so it will share the same storage. That's why it is called zero copy clone. Why it is called clone? Because this is done using clone. Okay, when we say clone, for example, if you are a database background, we generally clone user or clone database or clone table. Cloning means creating with same properties of the existing object. That is called clone. So here, that's why here we use the clone, but this is called zero copy clone because this is with respect to storage, means backing up the data. So that's why this is zero copy clone. Zero copy clone means no additional storage will be occupied. You can take backup of, you can back up the database, you can back up the schema, you can back up the table, you can do any backup. Backup means here clone. Okay, so but it will not occupy any additional storage because the storage is shared in Snowflake. That's why it is called shared disk and shared nothing architecture. Okay, that's why it will not occupy additional storage. So it will. What is the benefit of this? It will save the storage cost for the customer. Okay, a lot of storage cost will be saved for the customer with this feature. Okay, that's why one must be aware of zero copy cloning. What is zero copy cloning, or what is cloning? Cloning is used to take the backup of an object in Snowflake. Okay, why it is called zero copy clone? It is called zero copy clone because it will not occupy any additional storage. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I mean, in case if you ask in detail questions like that, then that should be your answer. Okay, then we will visit these features again. What is time travel and what is failsafe? So yesterday we discussed time travel is a feature. The name itself says, you see, time travel means you travel along with time. For example, yesterday we created table, okay, department, and today also we created table department. The time travel feature says that you can query an object at particular timestamp. At particular timestamp. For example, I'll show what is. For example, I have department table, right? Select star from DPT. So actually, if you remember, yesterday I created this record 1 HR Hyderabad, then I updated that Hyderabad to Pune. For example, I will show. See, yesterday these are my details. Okay, I created this table. See, original table is this one, and I created same table with underscore temp. Okay, and transcend also created and inserted. And then what I did, if you see, I update. You see here my update statement. Yesterday I did update department set location equals to Pune. Okay, so that means this Pune is actually the record which I updated yesterday. Okay, but today morning I have inserted this original record again. Okay, with Hyderabad today morning just to show this time travel feature. So okay, but again anyway now I will do one more time. Okay, just so insert into department. I will do HR, not HR, sales to sales Bangalore. Okay, yeah, I will insert 2 and 3. 3 marketing Pune. So yeah, inserted. So total how many records you should have earlier 2, now 2. So total you have 4 records. Okay. So 1 is before we insert this 2 and 3. So total we have these many records. Right? Okay. So anytime by any person, if you query this table, you will get these 4 records only. Even you run 10 times also, you will get 4 records because that's the data. Now you will see the beauty of time travel. I'll query this table. Okay. For example, you see. Yeah, I'll query this table 5 seconds ago. Just now we inserted, right? Just now we inserted. Yeah, 5 seconds over. Okay. So I'll query this table. What is this table 5 seconds ago or 10 seconds? I think, yeah, 5 seconds. Okay. Object is used to query an object using timestamp. I will query this table. Okay. This is called actually time travel. Means these are syntax for the querying an object using timestamp. One is offset, and the another one is timestamp. Okay, another one is using statement like that. You can query in different ways. But if you want to query with respect to like minutes ago, hours ago, or days ago, you can use offset. Okay, or if you want to use using timestamp, you can use timestamp. I will show this table. You see, right now this table has, you see, I'm querying only, you see, whatever I selected, that is the query. Right now, this table has 4 records. Okay, see. But I want to see what is this table data just 5 seconds ago. Why 5 seconds? Now it's more than 10 seconds. So I want to see what is this table data even 10 seconds ago. See, you will get only 2 records. No, I think it's 5 seconds, not over 10 seconds. I think only 5 seconds we can see. Okay, so let's see. Uh-huh. Okay. No, no, no. Wait. It's been more than 5 seconds, right? Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago. It's, oh, it's been 2 minutes. Okay. Just doing, wait. Then 5 minutes or 10 minutes. 600. Yeah. Yeah. 600 means 5 seconds. I mean, 5 minutes. 5 into 60 or 10 into 60. Okay. Here, this offset value will be in seconds. Okay. 600 minutes means 10 seconds. I mean, 10 minutes. So, I think we have already created in 5 minutes. Or let's say you want to see 15 minutes. Then 15 into 30. I mean, 15 into 60. You can give like this. If you are confusing about seconds calculation, 15 into 60. 15 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay. Minute is 60 seconds, right? So you will see this 15 seconds. I mean 15 minutes before this is the data. Okay. Or even before 10 minutes, before 10 minutes also this is the data. See, because this was just inserted. So you can go back. For example, you want to see yesterday data. But anyway, this has only 24 hours time travel. Okay, this is 10 seconds, right? So, okay, actually 60 into 60 is 1 hour. Okay, 60 into 60, 1 hour. Okay, so 60 into 60 means 1 hour. Before 1 hour, what is the data? Same two records will be there. No, one record, yeah, yesterday. Okay, because the other HR record also I said I just inserted before begin the class just to show. Okay, I told you, right? So for example, this 10, yeah. See, yesterday I updated this to Pune. Okay, then I said the HYD record I inserted today morning. Okay, just to show you. Okay, I mean before 1 hour. That's why before 1 hour you're showing only one record, which is yesterday's record. Okay, so that is yesterday's record. This is 1 hour before record. Okay, so just now we inserted two more records, just 10 minutes ago records. Okay, so for example, see this query history I'm showing. Query history. See this record I inserted today, 6:56 means before starting the class. Actually I was doing this. Okay, just to show this 6:56 a.m. Okay, I inserted this record actually to show you this time travel. Okay, so yeah, that record it is showing before 1 hour. Okay, insert into DEPT 1 HR Hyderabad. Same thing. Before 1 hour. When it's done, 6:56. Okay, so that is it is showing 1 hour before record. So 1 hour before record, what is there? Only with Pune record is there. Okay, for example, select star from You see this Pune record, one HR Pune only there, which is there yesterday. We updated Hyderabad to Pune. Okay, this record I inserted at 6:56. Now it's not even 7:56. Okay, that means 1 hour not completed. Okay, so these two I inserted just now, sales and Bangalore. Okay, sales and marketing. So since 6:56 I inserted that record, means now it's 7:34, means not even 1 hour completed. So before 1 hour, if you see, you will get only what? Yesterday's record only, Pune record only you will get, obviously. See, Pune record only you are getting. Because after inserting that other Hyderabad record also, 1 hour not completed. Okay, 6:56 I inserted. Okay, so I want to see, for example, if you see the history again, I did two more inserts, right? You see these two inserts. You see 7:27 I inserted. Okay, 7:27 I inserted two records. 7:27. Now it is 7:35. Okay, that means not even 10 minutes completed. So if you want to see 10 minutes history before 10 minutes, 10 into 60 means 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, 10 into 60 you have to give, means 10 minutes before history it will show. 10 minutes before history you have only two records in this, like this. See, in the real time, especially when we are doing, something went wrong. Okay, you don't know, like, what happened. So at what point we have data, okay, to check and validate, we will do this kind of thing. For example, somebody dropped something, table got deleted now, or so they deleted some data now. Okay, you can restore the table to the last 5 minutes. For example, now what is 7:36? Okay, somebody deleted. Okay, so you can delete the data with 7:35. For example, you see this is using timestamp. Or you can also do, for example, 5 minutes before data. Yeah. So yeah, I got a question like till when we can see the query history? Can we get last week data? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can get. That's why the time travel is 90 days. So till 90 days you can go back. No, yeah, that is the, in fact, the time travel and all for that purpose only. Time travel in all editions you can have up to 90 days. So till 90 days you can go back. Yeah. Okay. But you see, by default you will get only one day time travel. Okay. So that's why you have to change the time travel. For example, you see, I will show that. Now I'm coming. How do we know, okay, what is the time travel? Okay. Show tables. Show tables. Then you will see time travel for all the tables. Okay. See here. See here. Okay. When the table is created, date created on, table name, database name, schema name. Okay. So you see retention time. Retention time is the one which is time travel. Okay. I changed morning to 90 days for these two tables. Okay. The backup tables. Okay. So if you take this department table, this is the first record. Check is only the first record. Department table which we are working now. Okay. So my DB. See when it's created department table. See yesterday. Okay, yesterday, you see this system is showing eastern timing. Okay, so don't worry. For example, today is 5th, right? If you take, select current timestamp, it will show 4th because it is following a different standard. That you see, today is December 4th, but actually our time is 5th December. Okay, ours is IST. Okay, this is EST. So current timestamp 4th. So as per this Okay, so this table created on third. Okay, system timing. So the department table created on third means yesterday. Okay, department. See, retention period is 1 day. See here, retention period. This is the retention period. That means you can do time travel only till 1 day, because your retention period you set it is only till 1 day. You cannot go back and check, more than 1 day, because your retention time is not set more than 1 day. So if you want to keep these tables critical, okay, for backup purpose, then you have to alter the retention period to 90 days, or you have to set the retention period to 90 days. How to set retention period? You have to use alter. Okay, alter table name, alter table dpt, set retention 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 time in days, retention time in days. Yeah, wait, I have something. You see, data retention time in days equals to 90. Okay, alter, you have to alter the table to change the time travel. Time travel is only, the technical keyword while querying is data retention time in days, 90 days. See, statement executed successfully. That means time travel or data retention time changed for this table. How can you verify? You can just give again show table. Okay, we are talking about department table. So department, see, retention time is 90 days. Okay, now you can go back and change up to 90 days. You can see the data, or you can see, like, what is your past data, 1 day ago, 2 day ago, 5 day ago, 30 days ago also you can see. And the beauty is, see, the beauty is, in fact, how to use this retention period is, you can create backup. For example, yesterday, okay, today something happened, okay, within last 24 hours something happened, okay, you want to create backup from this table other than today, means till yesterday. So see, you can create like this. For example, you see, select star from, now it's 90 days, right? Select star from dept. Okay, dept, then it has 4 records. Okay, 4 records, but only first record is only yesterday's data, right? Yesterday data, remaining all are inserted today. Okay, so something happened, okay, for example, something happened and these 3 records are not right. So I want to restore my table as of yesterday. Okay, I want to restore my table yesterday, means how many records I want only this first record only. Okay, I don't want whatever I inserted today, this last down 3. Here I'm talking about one record and 3 record, but in real time we'll talk about, lakhs of records and millions of records. So what is important is how to restore a table with yesterday's data. That is the point we need to concentrate. So first we will write a query statement to fetch, to get the data as of yesterday using time travel. How to do that? Select star from department. Okay, so timestamp. Okay, you see this one. Okay, how to change this timestamp as of yesterday? Okay, select current timestamp. For example, what is current timestamp now? It is 2023 December 4, 1814, right? So you change 2023 December 4 is today. So yesterday means 2023 third. right? Today is 4th, so yesterday is 3rd. Okay, so 18th, yeah, you can have 17th or you can have 20, okay, whatever it may be, or till yesterday end of the day, okay, you can give 23, 23, 59. Means till yesterday end of the day you want to take the backup, okay, not considering today's. Okay, so first you check whether it's getting yesterday data or not. You can check directly like this. Yeah, it is getting yesterday data. See, you're getting yesterday data. It is not considering today's data. Now you can create a backup. How? Create table. Okay, dpt underscore backup. How? With yesterday timestamp. Okay, what is yesterday timestamp? Okay, 2023 12/04. Okay, or you can give some meaningful name as of, okay, because we are doing restore action, restore activity. Okay, so as of December 4th data. Okay, so you can give clone. That's it. So it will create department backup as of 2023 12/04 as of yesterday's data. See, this time travel statement talks about only it takes yesterday data. So if you do like this, it will create it. Okay, just a second. Clone, okay. Clone, create table department, clone this one. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Clone, okay. Offset, clone department, okay. You don't need to give, okay. Select star from clone department. Okay, clone department. Okay, you don't need to give select star. Create table, okay, whatever that as of 2023, clone this table as of this time. I written select statement just to for example, you see, I wrote this select statement to show you that it's getting the correct data or not. Okay, because we need to verify the data. Okay, so yeah, it is getting the data as of yesterday. So to show that, I wrote this statement. Okay, once you confirm that yeah, it is getting the required data, then you can just remove select star. Then you can write like this. Okay, create table, backup as of, okay, whatever name you want to give. Okay, clone table, the timestamp. That's it. It will create that with as of yesterday. So this is the benefit of time travel. Okay, now you can go back and check your data. Select star from this backup as of 2023 12/04. See, select star from department backup as of 2023 12/04. You are getting, that means you restored the table as of yesterday date. Okay, why you did like that? Because today's data corrupted. So now you reload the latest file again. Okay, to correct whatever the data issue happened. So I mean, generally we do the time travel for that purpose. Basically, this is a restoration purpose. Okay, in case of any accidental, data can happen in anything, right? Some people may drop it, some people may delete it. All the things will happen. So in such cases, to rectify that, we use these features. Okay, so that's about time travel. And yeah, time travel, how to change? So alter table, set data retention. You see, he may ask, some people may ask what is data retention. Then also you should tell the same thing. Okay, data retention is to set the time travel, or time travel only is implemented using data retention. Okay, data retention is the keyword to set the or to change the time travel in Snowflake. So you can change it to 90 days, or you can change it to 45 days, or you can change it to 30 days. Okay, by default how many days? By default 1 day. Okay, if you want more than 1 day, you can alter table name. Okay, so for example I change it to 30 days. Okay, and then alter table name this one. Yeah, then you can check show tables. See department table, it will show only 30. See retention time 30 days. So like that. So using retention period, you can restore to like 1 day, 2 day ago, 3 day ago, 5 day ago, 30 day ago, or 60 day ago. Okay, because sometimes if anything happens, some data issues, you can rectify that. Okay, so once you can take backup as of the timestamp, and you can rectify the data and load it again. Okay, now let's go to documentation and see what is this time travel and fail safe. Because after you knowing basic what is what, better thing is go to documentation and read if anything else is there. Okay, so Snowflake provides powerful CDP, means continuous data protection. CDP is for continuous data protection, for ensuring the maintenance and availability of your historical data. Okay, see continuous availability of your historical data. These are all for data security. Okay, security and protection and safety and all. Okay, on historical data, the data has been changed or deleted. Means in case of data changed or deleted, you can use it. Okay, querying, cloning, and restoring historical data in tables, schemas, databases for up to 90 days. See, up to 90 days through Snowflake time travel. Okay, you can query or you can clone. See, we queried and we cloned also. Okay, and we restored. Restored means you created backup table, right? Using time travel, that one. Okay, up to 90 days. See, disaster recovery of historical data. Okay, by Snowflake through failsafe. Yeah, failsafe is to basically I told you, right? Failsafe is 7 days by default. In fact, that is the time. You cannot change it. Failsafe we cannot change it. What is the reason for failsafe is if table is dropped, let's say today, table is dropped, then it can restore up to 7 days. Within 7 days, in next 7 days, you can restore without even help of Snowflake team. Generally, once table is dropped, it's gone. In any databases, you take any database. Once table is dropped, it's gone. You cannot do anything. Drop table name means it's gone. But this fail safe is, that's why it is called fail safe. It's like safety net. Even you drop the table, you can restore it if you found it within 1 week. Okay, let's say I dropped it today. I mean, forgot or somebody happened. Or for example, you dropped my table today. Okay, tomorrow I came and see that oh, my table is missing. I saw it yesterday, it was not there, so immediately I can restore my table in Snowflake. That is the fail safe. But generally in other database or in any database, okay, of course, fail safe is there in BigQuery also. Okay, but it's not there in Redshift and it's not there in any of the on-premises databases. So if it is dropped, it means it's dropped. That's it. You have to restore using backup. But here it's not like that. Within 1 week, you can restore from your end. After that, if it is like 1 week crossed, you have to reach out to the Snowflake support team. They will restore, but it's a paid support. See here, it is written here. These features are included in all editions. Okay, so no additional charge is there. Okay, so okay, then fail safe. It is giving us the data within 7 days means it will store that copy in the storage, right? If it is not storing in the backend, how it can give? It is storing in the backend. So for that storage, you know, some fee will be associated. Okay, every feature comes with some, little storage cost because it is storing in the backend. So in addition, both time travel and failsafe require additional data storage which has associated fees. Means it is able to give the data means what? It is storing the data within the backend. So our storage cost will have that time travel and fail safe storage cost also, okay, which is part of our storage cost. Okay, fine. So next, what is this Snowflake? And yeah, I mean about this fail safe also, you can just go and see. Fail safe talks about 7 days period. Okay, after retention. Okay, for example, after retention is 90 days, fail safe will start after 90 days. Okay, that is to restore your table. You see, fail safe provides a non-configurable, means you cannot change. Okay, whereas data retention period you can change, time travel you can change, but fail safe you cannot change because it's fixed. Okay, so fail safe provides non-configurable, okay, 7-day period, okay, within which we can restore any of the object, okay, from our end. If it is more than 7 days, means we have to reach out to the Snowflake team. Then they will charge something and they will restore. See, this point starts after the retention period. Okay, so that's why it is called fail safe. Even if it is something happened within 7 days, you can get it back. Okay, yesterday we saw transient tables, temporary and permanent tables, right? So if you see, for all other tables by default, 1 day is the time travel. If you can change, you can change it to 90 days. So after 90 days, okay, this fail safe will starts for 7 days. Okay, but this is only for permanent tables. Okay, permanent tables. Okay, for transient, I mean for transient and temporary, anyway, it is not a temporary table, it's a temporary table, means it's created and it's dropped, so for that it's not applicable anyway. Okay, for transient tables there is no fail safe for transient. Only for permanent tables 7 days will be there. Okay, so what is it? Failsafe is a data recovery service that provides on best effort basis and is intended only for use when other recovery options have been attended. Yeah, I mean, what is the purpose? What is the purpose you understood about this? Tell me. Failsafe and time travel, what is that you understood? Time travel is basically, it helps it helps track it helps track till to some particular timestamp, some particular timestamp. Okay, timestamp why I said means till to a day or particular hour, minute, till that point you can go. It helps to track and restore till to some particular timestamp. Okay, fail safe, it's non-configurable 7 days. Okay, it helps restore table in case of sudden drop. Okay, so sudden or accidental drop. So fail safe basically, in case if anyone dropped the table accidentally, we can restore it back. Okay, so time travel helps to track. Okay, time travel we already saw, right? So we can go to any point of particular timestamp, even to last 10 seconds. Okay, last 5 seconds, or last 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 90 day, up to 90 day. We can go back and get our data. So these are all basically continuous data protection. Okay, CDP, basically to protect the data, to recover the data in case of, you know, in case of any data change or anything, or in case of some anything. You see, this happen only in case of accidentally. Okay, nobody will intentionally delete the data or drop the table. Okay, so In these happens, that's why they are called accidental, deletion. Or sometimes data will be corrupted, or sometimes we load the data, okay, which is unintentional. For example, we load the dev data into production or production data into dev. Okay, sometimes files got merged. Okay, instead of production files, we got dev files also staged there, and we loaded. So all these things will happen at that time. We have to restore the data back to before the load, and then we have to clean up the data, and we need to reprocess the data. So yeah, for that purpose, all these features will help us. In fact, this is what we do in IT. Everything to do with data, data loading, data removing, means deleting, updating, inserting. That's it. Okay, so yeah, we need to know these features if you want to work with Snowflake, time travel, and failsafe. So generally, they will ask what is time travel. Time travel is a Snowflake feature, which allows us to see the data to a particular point of time, and we can query the data, we can restore the data. Okay, so yeah, and time travel, and that is possible up to time travel period, and time travel period is changes from 1 to 90 days. So we can also change the time travel, okay, between this 1 to 90 days anytime. Okay, what is failsafe? Failsafe is to restore the table in case of it's a sudden drop. Okay, so after data retention, if any table is dropped, we can restore it within 7 days, and it cannot be changed, whereas time travel can be changed. Zero copy cloning. Zero copy cloning means in Snowflake we can take backup of any table using clone. Okay, clone is the keyword. So it is called zero copy cloning because when we clone a table means when we take a backup of a table, the newly created backup table does not occupy any storage. This is the advantage of Snowflake, because although we create backup of a 50 terabytes of table or even database, okay, it will not occupy the additional storage cost for the cloned object or for the newly created object. That's why it is called zero copy cloning. Yeah. So all these three, in every interview, you will get questions on these three. Okay. So we have also seen, how to query using timestamp. Okay, using timestamp and using offset. Offset means in case of days or seconds or minutes. Okay. So do you have any questions? Okay, Arnav. Harika Armanka, do you have any questions? Okay. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.